Sure, why not? You might need them after your last shot.
I know. I feel like it. Shoot him, shoot him.
Okay, let's head out.
Come right down that 2-track.
There.
Yep. I'm gonna have you shoot him on the right side of that tree. That pine tree right in front of you.
So,
Yep. I want you to shoot it on the right side.
okay.
He's coming. Coming right down that 2-track box. I hear him strike. Yep, if you got it, if you can. No, wait.
Where's it going?
Good shot.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
Nice shot. I thought that bird was leaving.
Yeah.
He's a nice bird, too. Come on, Beard. Good.
Another one.
Yeah, man. Every year you do it up.
I know.
That I'll tell you what, that makes up for that one earlier.
Well, yeah, if I could have shot 2 of them.
2 of them. That's nice. All by himself?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. He's all by himself.
Nobody else.
Oh, you could tell he was a longbeard when he was just hitting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Well, thank you. Let's go do it again.
Well, good job, Dad. It's another year, another bird, and this one's just as special as every other one. It seems like
yeah.
it's always a
Yeah.
lot of fun.
Yeah.
We,
The spur's a little bit small, but
well, he's a 2-year-old bird. Got
yeah.
probably half 3/4 inch spurs, but
Yeah.
probably about a 6-7 inch beard. Nice bird. Nice 2-year-old.
Yep.
These birds aren't responding at all. It seems like until we're walking right at them. This morning we had to walk at them and cut and get them fired up. And I think they figured out, you know, once we got closer that, hey, that's a real hen.
Yeah.
So, you know, this morning the one come down the power line, and that was probably about a 50-yard shot.
Yeah.
You know, it was a little out of range, but so you blew that one. And then we got here this morning to this next spot, and we had to do the same thing. We threw a crow call, and the bird gobbled once, and then he shut right up. So we started calling. We started cutting on the box call, and once we got closer to him, he lit up, and we set up. And the only problem you guys had was this little bit of a hill right here, to where you just couldn't quite see him until he got, you know, relatively close. I guess 40 yards. So, but it all worked out. You got a nice bird, and we learned a new trick today. I know we got to start walking at him.
Yeah,
for sure.
The wind is pretty strong too,
and it's windy. Yeah, so we got to get a little closer. But well, good job.
Thank
Congratulations,
you.
and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, we had a good time. So you go get your truck and drive it down here, and then we don't drag this baby.
That's kind of what I figured. Litter bug.
I'll pick it up.
The problem with him is he likes to shoot them with 30-06s in the hands. Let's go. You want me to go get the truck?
Yeah. Jeez. Run up there and get it right now. Swim.
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
You get a little heavy going up that hill, won't you?
Yeah.
Sure, why not? You might need them after your last shot.
I feel like it. Shoot him.
I threw a little
Hissy fit?
hissy fit, you know. But it happens.
Too bad. I shot him anyhow.